𝗬𝗏 𝗠𝗔𝗟 ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯒ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯒ ꯇꯧꯗꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗꯣ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯕꯤꯃꯣꯜꯗꯣ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯇꯥꯃꯣ ꯕꯤꯃꯣꯜꯗꯣ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯃꯨꯅꯤꯔꯀꯥꯗ ꯌꯨ ꯉꯥꯎꯔꯒ ꯃꯤꯅ ꯐꯨꯗꯅ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯛ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯨ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯐꯨꯗꯠꯂꯦ ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯜ ꯄꯤꯄꯜꯅ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯁꯨꯡꯊꯣꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯒꯠꯂꯛꯏꯅꯣꯃ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯐꯣꯇꯣꯒ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯆꯂꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯝꯃ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯅꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯄꯥꯗꯕ ꯉꯥꯡꯕ ꯏꯂꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯅꯔꯤꯗꯨꯅꯤ nupi ohum lo liga na nupi ohum gi maminga pibi adagi jat kaino university ge tanthokra bani ga na haining ba da haiba adu mama tawbani adu gi type ta si ino no bu dina se politics they are ga the element sing on the high school yam point tholakan and so one should be ready koi ko ai ke su kai de ma na pakhatan tori do I am perfectly all right I was used to meeting tawri koi gi manipur masam am sida phami gi mamang da moina harakuni da musu maina hojing message am thare adagi koi gi nupi na su haire ba adagi aina chatlaga clarify tawno chawda tawthok so ina changak pane do ma I am perfectly sum thok ta bam da taw se hojik social media singa tini oi da ma ngang chalaga taw ma se aina sum khan bada ngasai manipur go thugaina ba silakpa sectarian oiba ideology the communal oiba mindset am da tawraga sida is the minority right ki maming da ma tawraga manipur da thugaina ba onar ko kangbu moi gi mayok ta ngang bagi gari daga moi na tawgi ba igi da thugai ko kai na tawrakhi ba ingon da singna rakhi ba ade kangbu na delhi na pham ama tawraga masigi mayok ta ngang bagi sounding da na oida pa da lamchat chajat taxi khasi khai da da phajara ni ngai na da thumaitai me na ga maming i ga su yoksal kan tawrai ba mayam sugumba manipur gi yekna ba hai tare manipur gi adagi akhoi gi khunai gi yekna ba hauna lonchat khang da ba kangbu khoi gi marakta makhoi gi delhi gi dictator chat padu yaning da bagi ngang o bagi shaw da na injan na ngang facebook ta ga thadok na ngang li ba kangbu amadi manipur thugai ge honari ba community gi lead tawri ba moi elite kharana tawraga angang sing na misguide taw bidana tawrai ba sectarian oi ba ideology da chatpa kanguna moi skum masina dum sandok na dum tawrakani is part of politics so this rumor don't believe it I am perfectly all right a non-event is turned into an event and spread on social media. And some people will thrive on that, and our legal team is looking into it. Already we're in touch with the cybercrime branch here. We will take the necessary actions, but in the meantime, thank you so much for your concerns. I am perfectly okay. I am just having a meeting with the delegates here. So I just take a break because they started saying that there are a lot of messages coming in. So I'm perfectly all right. Thank you for your concerns. Please do not believe in these kind of rumors. Get ready as the fight becomes more intense for the dignity of Manipur and for our well-being, for our own historical sense of responsibility as perform it. I expect more such kind of false rumors to come up, and let's get ready for that. But we shall overcome and we will win and defeat these inimical forces of our people and our state. Thank you so much.